Welcome back, guys. Um, what a nice, pretty little house that I'm going to get ready to show you today. Um, it was redone several times by an elderly couple that used it as a age in place type house. Um, Definitely some ghosts going on. Heard like the I don't know what the noise was. I'm guessing it was the door, but how it got shut, I don't know. You'll probably hear it in the video. I even made a chance and I ran back to check it out because it freaked me out. Um, Weird how they took somebody salvaged the trim out of the place. It must have been really, I know it was really wide, so it must have been some really good trim. Um, Anyways, what a beautiful little place. I love the little arch doors that they had upstairs and just really nice job. Anyways, guys, it was hard for me to get in it. The place is going to be demoed. It might already be gone. I'm not 100%. I haven't been back. Um, Anyways, hope you like it. Like, subscribe, comment. Fade in time. Remember, I'm always going to bring you that good stuff. All right, let's do this again. I love this little house. Got the nice little vent up there. Looks like they had added security at one time. Got the garage out there. I like the paint color. Wow, that is some thick plaster wall right there. So, that's neat. Look at the old light fixture, guys. That is really cool. I like that. Look how pretty that is. That looks like solid brass. Well, that's heavy. That's old school. That is old school. Look at the built-in radiators underneath the windows. Wow. I don't know what this must be like a formal dining room. It's the only thing I could think of. Got the closet. Another closet. Pretty neat. There's some big ceramic on the floor. Oh, look at these panels they put on the wall. They got like a raised panel thing going on. Whoops, sorry about the light, guys. That's pretty neat. I like that. That was like a lot of extra detail work. That was really neat. You know, somebody ripped the trim all off in here. They must, look how thick it is. They had some very expensive trim in here. Some very expensive trim. Check out the wall. Sorry about that, guys. Like the door blew shut. Guys, check out the wallpaper. I want you to see this wallpaper. This must have been the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. I like it. Fancy toilet holder. Check out, oh, look at this. Look at the fancy built-in shelves. Nothing in them. Oh, this is a shower. This is a sit down shower, guys. That's pretty neat. They must have had some really fancy trim in here. Okay, we're gonna go this way. This must be the living room. Still got the same radiant heat underneath the windows. I like that. This must have been the kitchen. Cabinet, stove. Yeah. Pretty neat. There's an upstairs. I'm gonna try to get upstairs. Wow, that was really hard to get up here. Whew. Big mirror. Big mirror. Wow. What is up, guys? Sorry about the shine. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Absolutely gorgeous. Somebody had back problems. Check out these some blown in insulation. This one had a door. I love these doors. They're even curved. What detail. Absolutely gorgeous detail in here. Gorgeous detailing. Let's go into this. What is this? Just a big walk-in closet, guys. Big walk-in closet. Wow. I mean, check this out. There's a bathroom up here. Check out the shower. Oh, we have a St. Mary's Church with a date of September 2024. So this was recently, very recently abandoned. There's some attic access up there. No, we're not going to go up there. Here's another bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet. I do like the walk-in closet. This is pretty neat. I like it. Yeah, I do like it. Beautiful old farmhouse. And obviously it's been renovated, but I mean, it's still beautiful. There's so much beauty here. Look at the old light fixture, even. That's like original. That's just freaking awesome. Wow. Another little peek hole way down here. Very typical of an old farmhouse. Man, I love these places. Just so amazing to me. Absolutely 100% beautiful. So beautiful. This house is on the demo block. Well, let's go back downstairs. See if we can't finish this bad boy. Let's go back in here and get this real quick. I like this. Let's see what else we got. I still love this front entryway. Big fireplace. All right. Going through this last little bit. Yep. Okay, guys. We're gonna call this one and get out of here.